Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our odd USD. So we can see it on our odd dollar, US dollar. So this is very much clearly in an uptrend move, right? Market is literally giving us that bullish move. Whereby we are having a series of higher high and an higher low, a series of higher high and an higher low. So that is very much clear that our market is literally trending to the upside, right? So it is very much clear that we are trending to the upside, a strong bullish move. Now, if you take a look at this movement here, this is the high on odd USD dollar, then this is the higher low. Then here comes the higher high. So market is currently playing an higher low. Is this higher low over? Well, I do not think it is over. I still believe that a further drop will be playing out before we eventually go ahead and take the buy. So above all, we are still anticipating for a bullish move on odd US dollar. I wanted to know, especially if you're a swing trader, right? If you're a swing trader, you want to your position for a long time, probably in the next 3 to 4 weeks, you can still open for the buy. If you're a position trader, you can still open for the buyers. All the US dollar will still give us more bullish move. But if you're a day trader, wait for your pullback to play out. Then on use your 1 hour time frame, probably around this level, a level of 0.66. Look for your buy setup within this level. Look for your buy setup. If your buy setup plays out, then take the buy. If it does not play out, then you can just ignore it.